Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to adjust Honda Civic steering full guide. Begin by parking on level ground, applying the parking brake, and chalking the rear wheels to prevent roll. Inspect the steering wheel for excessive play and test turn lock to lock gently to feel for binding. Check tire pressure and tread for uneven wear that may mimic steering issues. Use gloves and take your time, and stop if anything feels unsafe. Start by measuring steering wheel free play normally in degrees or inches to identify the problem area. Lift the front end safely and support it with jack stands to inspect tie rod ends, boots, and the steering rack for looseness or leaks. Wiggle components to find play, and have an assistant turn the wheel while you watch for delayed wheel response. Note findings before making any adjustments so you know what to fix. Begin adjustments by loosening the locking nuts on the tie rods and turning the adjuster to shorten or lengthen the assembly in small increments. Center the steering wheel visually and by counting turns from lock to lock so both sides match, then tighten the locking nuts to spec. Check column tilt and steering wheel position for driver comfort. Always torque to the correct values and complete a careful road test to confirm improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.